Hey guys, it's Miss Stockington. I am out here in this beautiful backyard and I'm going to perform an experiment. Shout out to Jeremiah and Tavares and all my other friends who told me about hydro dipping. I had no idea what that was, but now I'm going to try it myself. So, hydro dipping. Prefix hydro. Does anybody know what that means? Protective equipment is very important. Also, I should say, don't do this at home unless your parent is doing it with you. Thank you. Alright, here we go. I'm going to get a close to this water. Ooh. Get some green in here. Maybe end it with some purple. Not really sure how much to do. That's covering the surface pretty good. Give it a little swirl. Okay, let's try it. What's our first thing? Ooh, fancy. That came out pretty cool. I think we need to add more paint though, because there's parts of it where it didn't stick to it. Maybe that's just the wood. I don't know. Let's try it again. We're gonna see which articles hold the most paint or look cool. So here we go. Alright, here we go. Let's try a clipboard. I'm going to try and not get stuff on it. Here we go. Alright, interesting. Cool. Let's see if I can dry that. Let's do plain old paper. This is cardstock, a little bit thicker than normal copy paper. That is pretty cool. Oh, huh. That looks pretty cool. With Lucy. Ooh. Oh, I don't know if it's going to break the surface tension.
Oh, yeah, we'd have to put a rock on it or something. Or just hold it under there.
I want to go hydro dip my arm. Interesting. See what happens. These are just some old shoes I had from Target. Nothing special. Let's see what happens. Back up, Lou.
Come here.
Back up. Alright, I'm gonna have to go at an angle, I think. When I got the bottom. That looks gross. Oh, see, that looks cooler. I don't know. This might be a nailed it situation. My gloves look cool, dang. Yeah, I don't know how to get it, like, not in the tongue. I think if we were to do shoes, we'd have to have a bigger thing so we could go straight down.
Yeah.
Well, actually, that fits, kinda. I don't know, looks kind of weird. That just might be a hashtag fail, but you know, that's what science is all about. Here's our folder, which I'm gonna have to bend slightly. That looks super cool.
That really held it very well. Yeah.
I think we're running out of room over here. I like how the paper stuff has turned out.
Both of those.
Okay, this time I'm going to wind it like this. Just twist it. Boo, move. Good girl. And I guess ideally we would put a weight on the bottom, and I'm going to try and get it started with my hand. I don't know if it's going to stay twisted. There we go. I was wondering if it would have it like a tie-dye effect or something. Interesting. But I think paper held it the best, followed by clipboard and wood. Shoe, I don't know. I don't like the shoe. Well, the other ones turned out pretty cool. Alright, that's hydro dipping. Stay creative, my friends. Here we're just trying regular old enamel paint. We'll see if it sticks on the surface. It's oil-based paint. Hey, it's cool. He went gloveless. That's real bold.
It's very thick on there, though.
Yeah, wow, huh?
Yeah, that's just like painting.
So you don't get as much of the marble effect, really, just because the viscosity is so different.
Yeah, and it could be, if it was latex, something else, but that's oil-based enamel right there is kind of
Interesting.
not worth the effort.
Well, I didn't even know if it would float, and I guess it does.
Absolutely.
There you go.
There we go.
All right, that's science.